It's all about you yang salah. As a marriage counsellor, I think you've met couples, you've met people who maybe have a conflict in their relationship kan. Apa sebenarnya tanda-tanda yang kita sebenarnya berada dalam relationship toxic? Relationship tu mungkin dah, not to say it's not healthy, tak selamat ataupun rasa toxic. Mungkin you know like one party mungkin dah rasa macam abuse lah. Abuse tu maksudnya ada banyak-banyak macam-macam kan. It's not just about physical abuse. Ni physical abuse biasanya yang dah tahap teruk lah. Ataupun kebanyakannya emotional abuse. Emotional abuse contoh partner you not like always gaslight you, ataupun dia selalu menyalahkan. They always salahkan each other. Semua rasa berjasa. Semua orang rasa macam okay, I lah yang give my all, you just do this part. Contoh suami kan, stereotype kata suami you kena cari nafkah, which is true. But now I think kita punya kahwinan ada banyak, sometimes a certain family they need isteri dan husband bekerja. Contoh isteri, kata isteri kena jaga anak, yang lain tu suami just kerja cari nafkah lah, right? Banyak kata benda yang tak kesamarataan lah in term of like workforce. Contoh kat rumah macam mana siapa nak buat. So sometimes it's all about okay, bila isteri rasa suami ni macam tak nak kisah je pasal dia tak nak ambil cakap dengan hal rumah tangga ataupun pekerjaan and everything, and then slowly dia akan memendam rasa, and then slowly mungkin rasa macam not happy. Mungkin juga masing-masing stress sebab ada expectation yang berbeza. So of course we know that the dynamic between husband and wife, we expect that maybe husband kita faham je, but sometimes isteri pun tak communicate benda tu. Abang, I perlukan bantuan, it's like you tak nak tolong I. It's all about you yang salah.